agriculturist, former street vendor,
Isa po akong dating mananahe.
Former BPO employee.
Come get real close, let me show you something. Let me show you something. You ain't seen nothing like this before. Hey. You ain't seen nothing like this.
former OFW from Japan, former sales supervisor,
Licensed criminologist.
former hotelier,
Currently working as a desktop engineer.
teacher graduate,
Wait a minute. Big money, I ain't playing with it. Boy, your eyes got some hate in it. I ain't gonna lie, I've been feeling super fly. You might
So dati lang rin po tayo nagkaroon ng iba't ibang trabaho, pero doing this, I am worldwide ng ating negosyo, nagkaroon po tayo ng brand new car.
Let me show you something.
Never imagine na magkakaroon kami ng first car dito sa community na meron kami ngayon.
And grabe lang kasi because the opportunity, nagkaroon kami ng sariling sasakyan.
bringing that heat. The fire's unleashed.
Loud and proud, Team Unleash Car Achiever!
Unleashed.
Pwede pala magkaroon ng sasakyan ng isang full-time mom through our system.
Sa loob ng 7 months, nagkaroon po tayo ng isang brand new car.
Kanina po, napakasaya po ng aming fun drive. At first time po namin ito na-experience.
Yung mga akala mo na hindi mo kayang gawin, you are going to unleash the potential that you have dito sa negosyong ating ginagawa.
Hi, amazing morning! So by the way, my name is Alan Paulo Signo and right now nandito kami sa isang resort sa Silang Cavite at kasama namin ang mga car achievers ng Team Unleash. Alam mo, kung part ka na ng community natin, ilabas mo na yung resulta mo para next time kasama ka na rin sa fun drive na to.
Kakaiba talaga yung ganitong community kasi isang kagaya ko na full-time housewife, I never imagine na makakasama ako sa mga ganito. But because of this community, nandito ako ngayon. Kaya kung ikaw, humahataw ka dito sa negosyo na to, dapat ilabas mo na ang resulta mo.
Loud and proud, Team Unleash Car Achiever!
We'll be the last one standing.
Amazing morning! I am Denny Lawas Goli Cruz at nandito tayo ngayon sa fun drive ng Unleash Community. I highly encourage you na hatawin mo ang negosyo kasi dito hindi na question kung magkakaroon ka pa ng sasakyan. Ang question na lang, ano ang sasakyan mo at ilan. Kaya excited kami na sa susunod kasama ka na namin dito.
Loud and proud, Team Unleash Car Achiever.
Loud and proud, Team Unleash Car Achiever!
We'll be the last one standing. Be a light in the dark. Been so long on this journey. Yeah, we come so far.
I'm Mona Lisa Galiga, a former beauty consultant. Deserve mo makasama dito sa fun drive natin kasi sobrang saya at sobrang nakaka-enjoy kaya dapat next time kasama ka na.
We'll be the last one standing. Be a light in the dark. Been so long on this journey.
Congratulations! I am Unleash Worldwide for our first ever Mega Fun Drive here at Tagaytay City. Grabe kasi ngayon, we have more than 30 car achievers and sports car achievers different walks of life, different backgrounds, pero ngayon nagsama-sama sa ganitong opportunity at unti-unting nakuha ang first car at sports car. I-check mo kung ano nga ba yung meron dito at huwag kang mag-alala kasi nandito kami para suportahan ka, para turuan ka at para tulungan ka para sa susunod kasama ka na.
This is our time.
My name is Giancarlo Signo, the founder of Team Unleashed, and I am worldwide.